could I do a markdown challenge about what I eat? And what I think I'll do is that I'll do it just for me, because it's too hard to factor in what the cost of a chicken nugget is and other stuff with people. And plus, I eat completely different to what the rest of my family do. Like, I'm happy with 2 pieces of bread for like hours on end. And I got some chicken drumsticks marked down to $2.22. This is just under a kilo, so 60% off. I found a thickened cream for $1.80. I've no idea what I'm going to do with that, and that's the thing too. I don't always go in with a plan. I just let the markdowns talk to me. And then I found this creamy garlic dip for $1.55, and I'm hoping this could be a base for like a potato bake, potato salad. So I'm thinking chicken drumsticks and a potato salad. Thing is, I don't have any potatoes that were marked down. Maybe I'll find some at Coles. But I did get this Caesar salad kit marked down. So basically, it just has to be anything that's marked down that is kind of okay in value-ish. And then I do have a cream cheese, sour cream for $2. So, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with that either, but who knows. I would have bought this bread if I didn't already have a full loaf at home that we really need to get through. So I've recorded it to say that I'm allowed to have bread because I would have purchased it. Finally home, and I've had peanut butter on toast. That's all I can have because that's all I have for now. And then yogurt that I got from NQR, so I'm claiming that as a discount because it was $2 for the 4 of them. And for dinner, I had the chicken drumsticks with the Caesar salad. That evening, I went markdown shopping because I was hoping to find some things. We have slim pickings, let me tell you. Chocolate milk looks good, but that's just not a very good price. And we've already got yogurt, so I don't want the other one. And there was nothing else there, so obviously got here a little bit late. The bread markdown section is always here, and it's so funny. This trolley keeps getting moved closer and closer to the door, so I think they want people to pick it up. I did pick up this packet of hamburger rolls. I'll find something to do with them. I'm always looking in the freezer section as well because they have a lot of stuff like this reduced to clear, and of course all the stickers that are here, and there's no products here. That would have been really good to be able to get some fish. Oh my gosh. I don't think frog cakes really should make it. $12 for 2 frog cakes. Oh my gosh, they're like $1. I pick it up. Pizza marked down, but no. It's Thursday, and so I'm going markdown shopping at our local Foodland. I've checked out the massive markdown area, and of course there's just nothing here that's of any value. The drinks are okay, but still. And then this chicken was marked down, so I'm recording it to say that I can have it because I have a chicken at home in the freezer that I want to use as part of Use It Up challenge. And in the fridge section there is nothing here, which is very unusual. I did, however, pick up this salad that I got because my mum said to me she doesn't have any bread, so grab yourself some lunch. So that was pretty good and lucky. Otherwise I would have been scrambling. And I did drop into Ampol on the way to get some petrol, but also to see if they had any markdown milk, and they didn't have any. So I was a little bit panicked at this point in time. In the afternoon, my mum does food shopping, so I tagged along. This clearance section used to be a lot better than what it was. It still is early. It's only about 3 o'clock. But stuff still goes pretty quickly. Any markdown sort of gets snapped up. They had lots of various markdowns throughout the shelves, and I was tempted by a couple of things, but I was like, no, we need to think about real food, not snacky food. So that kind of kept me on track a little bit, especially these little wafer chippies. Oh my gosh, my son would have liked them. But when I stopped and think about it, the weight for the price just was not on. I'm going to include this cauliflower bake in my week because I got it from NQR for $2.50. This is normally about $8 a packet. So I've had another couple of the drumsticks with the cauliflower bake. I got some markdown milk, of course I did, you know it's me. So I'm going to say that I can have that for the base of my smoothies, and I also made strawberry and chocolate milk for my son. So there's milk other if I want it. Friday is here and I had to head to the city for an event. So basically I got a free lunch. That was exciting. And then on the way back, I went to Woolworths in Rundle Mall to have a look for some markdowns because last time I was here, there's some really good stuff. But there was just nothing in here that was talking to me. And also I realized I don't have a bag with me and I don't want to buy a bag. It's annoying. And then, yeah, there were lots of various things. I thought about the chocolate mousse. I thought about a yogurt because I was thinking, ooh, but I just don't really like drinking out of the pouches. I wondered about the texture. And then when I found dog food markdown, I was like, that's it, I'm out of here. No, thank you. And because I'd had such a massive lunch, my dinner was just toast with smashed banana, while everyone else had some burgers with the leftover patties. Friday is here, and after Zumba I've had a smoothie because technically I had that milk markdown, and the glow shake was actually given to me from the collagen company a while ago, so technically that was pretty much all free. And then I've had a yogurt. I just put some cornflakes on top because it was the last of the little container that we had, and I also had an apple. Forgot to show you, got the markdown. Dinner was these sausages that I found. Yes, they're a couple of days past their use by date. I was fine. I had potatoes and carrots on the side. I didn't find them marked down, but I just needed to add some real food, so I figured why not. Oh, these are the bananas that I found marked down. So I have had real bananas in the house that I had to use up, but I still got these because I can freeze the rest. It's Sunday now and I've slept for a late morning. So when I woke up, I was really feeling like Wheat Bix with banana, and I'm pretty sure the Wheat Bix packet was free anyway. And then during the day, I just snacked on the leftover of the chicken drumsticks. And also I forgot, I've got these chocolate nut bars that we've had. I got from NQR. It was $2. So not the best markdown, but better than a supermarket price. My daughter also made snickerdoodles for everybody. That evening for dinner, we just had tuna patties because I was so busy trying to do a million things at once. So I got hubby to make dinner. It's just grated potatoes and tuna and corn, and hubby fries them. So it's not always about markdowns, it's about reality and needing to get life done as well. Monday, I've had another glow shake for breakfast, and then in the afternoon I've had the usual smashed banana on toast. Then I had some strawberries because I found them in the fridge and they really needed to be used up. So not always about markdowns, just making sure we're not wasting any food. For dinner we had chicken because I remembered that I did find one on clearance at Foodland, but I didn't want to buy another chicken until we'd used this one up. So I grabbed it out of the freezer and we cooked that, and I also just put with that our homemade chips and also a couple of pieces of bread. Tuesday night's dinner was technically free because I had to do an Audi promotion for TikTok. So for Christmas, I picked up all of these things and I cooked them and I laid them out and I did a beautiful little video. So yay, free food for us. So does it count? I don't know. And then I just included this for Wednesday. I found this mince in the freezer, so I pulled it out. I threw in the last of the carrots veggie mix that's here, threw that all in a pan and cooked it all through. I also grabbed a packet mix that I had in the cupboard, so also a little bit of a use it up challenge. It made a beautiful meal. We put that on top of rice, and yeah, that was it. My son also did his dumplings with some rice. Hubby tried to steal a dumpling. It was quite funny. Honourable mentions, the cream did get used up a couple of days later. We did chicken risotto, so in the freezer I always keep leftover bits from a roast chook that I've pulled apart, and the chickens we would have got on a severe clearance markdown, so I do that so I can make chicken risotto down the track. The sour cream would have been used up when we had wedges over a couple of nights, and the dip is still in the fridge, so I'm probably going to chuck it because I don't know what to do with it. But yeah, let me know if you want me to do another challenge. It was interesting, however, a little bit stressful this time, trying to balance life and everything else. But still, it was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate you, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.